Okay, so this is I'm gonna make this video part 2 of replacing this lower motor mount on the Honda Civic. All right, so as you watch my video, I put it in the motor mount that I fill with the stuff that I bought from Home Depot to enforce or reinforce this motor mount, and it shifts a lot better. Okay, it's but I feel the car shift a lot better. However, on the third day, at the stoplight, okay, when the engine warm up at the stoplight, I noticed a slight vibration on the floor. Okay, so because the one I installed on, they have a crack, and I tried to repair it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that one out, and this is an OEM. So I'm going to put this one in and see how it goes. Okay, what I did, I went and I bought the OEM one. Okay, from one of the dealer on eBay, and there's an actual part number for it. Okay, so this one worked great. I didn't notice any different in the shift. I noticed on the highway when your engine shifts, it doesn't have a drag to it like it used to. Okay, so it's a big improvement. However, on the third day, I start feel vibration on the floor. Okay, now as you remember in the last video, this is the one that cracked all the way through, and I tried to repair it. So I guess when I installed it in, it's not dry enough yet. So as you can see, it's running. You know, look like it's running, and you can see a apparent crack inside there. Okay, so I guess when you do this, you have to leave it a little bit longer for it to dry. Okay, they say it's dry in 7 days, so I just test it out. Okay, now this one is cracked all the way, where all other one that I put on, like the transmission and the top one, that thing is just reinforced because you know everything is intact, where this one is cracked all the way. Okay, there it is. Okay, I was able to install the OEM in, no problem. Okay, so anyway, I was able to peel this out, and as you can see, this one here, as I told you, is cracked all the way. You know, as you can see right there. Okay, on both sides. So and this thing, it surprisingly to me, it doesn't really stick on there. So for reinforcement purpose, probably a great idea to do it, but when it's already cracked, I don't think it's gonna hold up. Okay, as you can see, I can peel both sides out with my hand. All right, okay, so I just finished test drive the OEM I installed on the car, and all the vibration on the floor is completely gone. Okay, so back to this one. So if you're going to use this product, I highly recommend you use it to reinforce the working motor mount. Okay, so if you plan to use this, keep in mind that this thing doesn't stick onto the rubber, and you know, only use it to support or make your motor mount that is working, you know, that's not broken, you know, to make it more rigid or more firmly, so it lasts a little longer. Okay, but as far as repair the motor mount, I don't think this product is gonna work when it comes to repairing it. Okay, that's my take based on my you know, testing out this thing. Okay, so that's my opinion. If you like to use it, great. If not, still great. Okay, it's your decision. All right, that's all I got for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.